Oki's birthday is Monday. Oki, how many pancakes have you had this morning? Now you already had a pancake with the number 6. And you ate Edison's pancake. And you ate a pancake that was on the floor. I saw you. But when you asked for extra butter and syrup, and whipped cream, are you going to help clean up the dishes? Are you not going to sleep on my head tonight? Yeah, I know that was you. I think you ate some beans last night. What? You're gonna eat it when I get up if I don't give it to you? Do you think Callie gets pancakes? She does? Auntie makes Callie pancakes? Every morning? I don't think so. Well, I can definitely tell you've gotten more patient. Oh, maybe not. I was about to say you've gotten more patient since you've gotten older. It's a very entertaining morning. I don't know who to watch. Edison stack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. Choo-choo block. That's 7 blocks. 7 blocks? How about 8 blocks? 9 blocks? Whoa, it's getting shaky. Bomb. Okay, Okie. You can have it. Okay. My puppy's turning 6 years old. Kiss.
Mama, Dad. Mama, Dad. Mama, Dad. Dad.
He's eating.
Yeah.
Maybe when he's done eating, we can ask for a kiss. We leave him alone when he's eating, especially pancakes. He loves pancakes. Peppy Grandma used to make him homemade waffles and pancakes.
Dada. Dada. Hi, Dada.